Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Creation. So friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. So friends, today's video is about a great designing ideas, and today I'm showing a all-head trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful and demanding article of most stylish and more highly demanding beautiful vintage style granny square top designs. So friends, I must suggest you watch this video till the end. You will find an trendy ideas in our videos, so you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos, and you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. So friends, I will try my best to show all new ideas, so please subscribe, like and share.